Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exploit Telnet on Metasploit. So for that, I'll go to my virtual box over here. You can see my Kali Linux and Metasploitable running. I'll open my Kali Linux. So here, as you can see, I have opened my terminal and split, and I also have my Metasploitable running over here. So first, since this Metasploitable is in bridge connection with my network, first I'll scan for Metasploitable. You can either check for the IP of Metasploitable in the Metasploitable command line itself, or you can scan for IP of Metasploitable using nmap. For that, for now I'll show you how to scan for IP of Metasploitable on nmap. So I'll go here and check for the subnet and type IP-A, hit enter. As you can see, the inet is 192.168.104/24. So I'll give the command in nmap hyphen v for one hyphen s and capital V and so on. The command goes as the IP subnet 192.168.0.104 and I'll hit enter. So this starts scanning for all the devices connected, associated with this subnet, having this subnet IP. Then we'll see what and all ports are open here. So we are using all these uh, extensions, or you can see parameters of nmap as hyphen v and hyphen sv for getting all the information regarding the port number and also mac address and what other information which can be used for exploitation. So you can see here that we have, if you scroll down a bit here, you can see all the device related information, the IP information we can see of different devices. So if you scroll down a bit here, you can see there is a nmap scan report for IP192.168.0.1, and here you can see, like, if you ask me how to identify the metasploit, like this IP belongs to the metasploitable system. So for that, you can go down here and you can see there is something called as Telnet is open for Linux Telnet T, since this is a Metasploitable is a Linux based, and it is a Debian kind of thing, belonging to Linux category. So you can see here, like, this is the open ports information related to the Metasploitable. So we'll take this IP and do Telnet. Okay, so I'll come to my terminal here adjacent to this, and I'll type telnet and the IP of this. So I'll hit enter. As you can see, here we have a Metasploitable login prompting to us. This means we have found our correct IP. So since we know that the default login and password for our Metasploitable machine is MSF admin, we will type that, and again MSF admin. So as you can see over here, you have successfully logged on to your Metasploitable tool, and here you can exploit, since you have got the root, you can also get the root access for this Metasploit. You can tamper with the functioning of this Metasploit and also do virus release, and also you can release other viruses, ransomware, and also crash the system. So here I'll demonstrate a small attack kind of thing which you can do here on Metasploit. And I don't primarily see this as an attack, but I can see you can control the turning on and off of your Metasploit via this terminal. Can also list if there is anything on Metasploit, As you can see, there are two files on Metasploit. This is fvirus.sh and another is vulnerable. Is vulnerable is a directory, and here you can see that you can also shut down this Metasploitable via this command line. Here you can see for now this thing is running. You can see the Metasploitable is running. So now I'll shut this down. For that you need to type. So when I type power off, it asks for root. So I type it as sudo power off, and it's asking for the password. I'll type the password and I'll hit enter. So it says the system is going down on power off now. So you can see here the Metasploitable is shutting off on its own, and so as you can see, this is how hackers control your systems on and off. If you're doing some important work, hackers can access your machines, and this telnet is one of the way to access your machine and shut this down. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video and hit the bell icon over there. Thank you.